Hello students, the question is in the somatic cell cycle, A. In G1 phase, DNA content is double the amount of DNA present in the original cell. B. DNA replication takes place in S phase. C. A short interphase is followed by long mitotic phase. D. G2 phase follows mitotic phase. So बच्चे इवेंट्स ऑफ सेल साइकिल की हम यहाँ बात करते हैं. एक सोमेटिक सेल्स में जो सेल साइकिल के इवेंट होंगे वो क्या होंगे? तो बेसिकली दे आर ब्रॉडली क्लासिफाइड इनटू two parts. I phase, that is interphase, and M phase is division phase. And interphase is further divided into with the various stages, that is G1 phase, growth phase 1, S phase, synthesis phase, G2 S phase, G2 phase. And then division phase is further divided as division occurs. Firstly, the nucleus divide known as karyokinesis, then cytoplasm divide known as cytokinesis. And जब कैरियोकाइनेसिस होगा तो फर्दर 4 फेजेस में डिवाइडेड है बच्चे. प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज एंड टीलोफेज. And G1 phase is the phase where the cell is metabolically active and grows but do not show any synthesis. No DNA synthesis occurs. While the DNA replication, DNA synthesis occurs in S phase. And G2 phase where the cell prepare itself for the next division and protein synthesis, that is translation, completes in G2 phase and it prepare itself for the next division. So options देखते हैं बच्चे. In G1 phase DNA content is doubled. No, DNA content get doubled in S phase during DNA replication. So this statement is wrong. DNA replication takes place in S phase. Yes, this statement is correct. A short interphase. No बच्चे, the interval की अगर हम time interval की बात करते हैं तो in a one cell cycle the M phase is shorter one while the interphase is quite longer. So this statement is again wrong. G2 phase follows mitotic division. No, after G2 phase M phase occur. No, or not M phase के बाद G2. M phase के बाद G1 आएगा बच्चे. ये this is G1. Then this is S and this is G2. So G2 phase, after G2 phase M phase occur and after M phase G1 phase occur, not G2. So this statement is again wrong. And the correct answer for the question here is option B. Thank you.